What's going on, everybody? We are heading to Chiang today. Just make sure you know that, because there's Chiang Rai and Chiang Mai. Very similar. Same, but different. We are taking the bus. It takes about 4 hours to get from the Arcadia bus station, and it costs about 250 baht for the day. Now, I would say if you are going to do it, make sure you book in advance, because yesterday I was booking the bus for today. The earliest I could find 2 seats was for 12 o'clock today. We wanted to go a bit earlier than that, but it's not a big deal. We're there for the weekend. And anyway, me and my friend Tom, who, if you looked at one of my last videos, done a guest appearance. I didn't even know he recorded that until I was editing the video, and I was like, do you know what, I'll just throw it in. Why not? He put a bit of effort into that, so, you know, kudos to him. Now, he does have a channel, but he does gardening. I'll link it below if you want to have a look. He does fantastic work, all these gardening time lapses and all that. So it's amazing. Check it out. So this weekend is mainly, the main purpose of going to Chiang Rai is the White Temple. And I want to do a separate video of that, but I'm going to throw in some content onto this one, just some small little snippets. And then if you want to go see that video, you can see it the next day or before this one. I don't know when I'm putting it up, so we'll see. So yeah, we're just going to take a taxi from the hotel, go to the bus station 4 hours on the bus, get to Chiang Rai, walk around, kind of get the feel of the land, probably see if we can get a tuk-tuk driver to do a day tour for tomorrow, including the White Temple, and see how it goes from there. Grab some food and then head back Sunday. And then we're back here for the Lantern Festival on Wednesday. I'm really looking forward to that. So can't wait for that. Yeah, so if you're still here for some mad reason, enjoy the rest of the video. So we made it to Chiang Mai, and we're walking down the streets. Just got off the bus. It was actually early for once. Very rare in Thailand, very rare. So we're just going to head down to the hotel, check in, drop the bags off, and then explore this wonderful city, and then try to organise something to see the White Temple in the morning, and Blue Temple, and what, I don't know, some stuff. We're going to see some stuff. And make sure I don't get killed while I'm walking along. Yeah, so when we got off the bus, there was a lot of tuk-tuk drivers there, but it wasn't really aggressive or anything compared to some places that I've been kind of calm. So yeah, we'll see how the rest goes. Keep an eye out. On the right.
You hear the new take on the tuk-tuk?
Stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. For destiny, I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. But my time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights. Turning back around, can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, you can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me.